Hello and welcome back to Graceful Aging Senior. If you're over 60 and starting to feel some stiffness in your knees when you wake up, or a little cracking sound when you climb the stairs, you're definitely not alone. These are some of the earliest signs that your joints and cartilage may be wearing down with age. But here's the good news. Science today shows that your body still has the ability to repair and rebuild cartilage naturally, if it gets the right nutrients every day. In this video, we're going to explore the top 10 natural foods that help restore cartilage, improve joint mobility, and reduce pain without needing medication or injections. But before we jump into the foods, let's understand exactly what's happening inside your joints as we age. After the age of 50 or 60, your body significantly reduces its production of something called collagen type 2. This is the specific form of collagen that makes up the smooth, rubbery cartilage that cushions your joints. According to research from Harvard University, this decline in collagen production can lead to thinner cartilage, more friction between bones, and eventually that familiar feeling of stiffness or pain when moving around. Not only that, but your chondrocytes, these are the specialized cells that maintain and repair cartilage, also become less active with age. It's like having a repair crew that works slower and slower over time. That's why even small injuries to the joints or repeated pressure can lead to long-term damage if your body isn't able to recover properly. Now here's the exciting part. Researchers from the National Institutes of Health have confirmed that certain nutrients, especially those found in everyday foods, can stimulate cartilage regeneration, reduce inflammation, and slow down degeneration. That means with the right diet, your body can gradually rebuild what age has worn down. And if you find this type of information helpful, take a second right now to subscribe to the channel or share this video with someone you care about. It really helps more seniors discover ways to heal naturally, and I truly appreciate your support. Now let's begin with the first 3 cartilage-restoring foods. These are easy to find, easy to prepare, and if you include them in your diet regularly, they can make a big difference over time. Food number 1. Spinach. This leafy green isn't just good for your eyesight. Spinach is loaded with vitamin C, vitamin K, manganese, and zinc, all of which are critical for collagen synthesis and cartilage repair. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who consumed leafy greens regularly had significantly better joint mobility and higher levels of antioxidant protection in their cartilage tissues. Vitamin C in particular is a key player. Your body cannot build or maintain cartilage without enough of it. Manganese and zinc help activate the enzymes that produce collagen and elastin, 2 vital components of healthy joints. You can enjoy spinach cooked or raw. Try adding it to soups, stir-fries, or morning smoothies with banana and unsweetened almond milk. If fresh spinach is hard to find, a powdered green supplement is a great alternative. Food number 2. Salmon. Salmon is one of the richest natural sources of omega-3 fatty acids, and omega-3s are powerful anti-inflammatory agents. When cartilage breaks down, inflammation often rises in the surrounding joint tissues. That's what causes swelling, redness, and pain. But omega-3s help block the enzymes that trigger this inflammation, giving your joints a better chance to heal. The Harvard School of Public Health reports that seniors who eat fatty fish like salmon 2 or 3 times per week have lower rates of joint stiffness and reduced cartilage erosion over time. Salmon is also high in protein and vitamin D, both of which support muscle and bone health, essential for stabilizing the joints. You can grill, bake, or steam salmon. And if fresh fish isn't always an option, canned wild salmon works just as well and is easy to store. Food number 3. Avocado. Avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats. These fats help lubricate the joints, reduce stiffness, and protect cartilage from wear and tear. In a clinical trial conducted by the University of California, Davis, researchers found that regular avocado consumption improved joint function in older women, especially those going through postmenopause. Avocados are also rich in vitamin E and antioxidants, which help neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that damage joint tissues over time. A half avocado a day is more than enough. You can slice it into salads, Mash it onto toast, or blend it into a green smoothie. And if you're not a fan of the taste, avocado oil is another great way to get those joint-loving fats. Coming up next, we'll dive into one of the most powerful cartilage-healing drinks, plus a tiny fruit that's B. Let's keep going with the list of natural foods that help your body restore cartilage and support joint health after 60. These next four are especially useful if you've already started to experience pain or swelling in your knees, hips, or fingers, and they're easy to add to your meals starting today. Food number 4, chia seeds and flax seeds. They may be tiny, but these seeds are packed with nutrients that protect your joints from the inside out. Chia and flax seeds are both rich in plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, especially a type called ALA, which helps reduce inflammation in aging joints. Researchers at Tufts University found that older adults who consumed ALA-rich foods daily had less cartilage degradation and improved joint mobility within just 6 weeks. These seeds also contain lignans, which are antioxidants that fight free radicals, the unstable molecules that damage cartilage over time. Another big benefit of chia and flax is fiber. Fiber supports a healthy gut, and new research shows that gut health plays a major role in how your body handles inflammation. Plus, keeping a healthy weight is key to reducing pressure on your knees and hips. And both of these seeds help with that by keeping you full and regulating blood sugar. You can add a spoonful of chia or ground flax seeds to your oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies. Make sure to drink enough water with them, as they expand in your stomach and absorb liquid. Food number 5, bone broth. This is an old-school remedy that science is finally starting to appreciate. Slow-cooked bone broth contains collagen, gelatin, glucosamine, and chondroitin, all of which are essential for building and maintaining healthy cartilage. A clinical study from Penn State University showed that athletes who took collagen-rich supplements over 24 weeks had significant improvement in joint comfort and flexibility. And bone broth provides these same nutrients in a natural form. To get the full benefits, it's important to cook the bones slowly, at least 6 to 8 hours, to extract all the collagen and minerals. You can use beef bones, chicken bones, or even fish bones, combined with some vegetables and herbs for flavor. Drink bone broth warm on its own, or use it as the base for soups and stews. It's especially good in the morning for people with stiff joints after sleep. Food number 6, cherries. Yes, cherries. These bright red fruits are powerful anti-inflammatory allies for your joints. They contain anthocyanins, a group of plant pigments that help block enzymes involved in joint inflammation and cartilage breakdown. A study from the University of Michigan found that people who drank tart cherry juice daily for 3 weeks experienced significant reductions in knee pain and stiffness, especially those with osteoarthritis. Cherries also help lower uric acid, which is good news for anyone dealing with gout, a form of arthritis that causes sharp pain, often in the big toe or ankle. You can eat cherries fresh when in season or buy frozen ones year-round. Tart cherry juice, unsweetened, is also a great option. Just 100 milliliters per day is enough for results. If fresh fruit isn't convenient, cherry extract supplements are available and well-studied. Food number 7, soybeans and soy products. Soy is an excellent source of plant-based protein, and it's also rich in isoflavones, plant compounds that help preserve cartilage and reduce inflammation, especially in postmenopausal women. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, women who consumed 40 grams of soy protein per day for 3 months experienced improvements in joint flexibility and reduced cartilage loss in the knees. Soy isoflavones also help regulate enzymes that break down collagen in the joints, making them especially valuable for aging adults. You can get soy in many forms: tofu, tempeh, soy milk, or roasted soybeans. The key is to go for non-GMO, minimally processed versions. Soy milk is a simple option for breakfast or snacks. If you're lactose intolerant, it's a great alternative to dairy and can support both joint and bone health. Before we move on to the final 3 joint rebuilding foods, take a second to think about who else in your life could benefit from this kind of information. If someone you love is dealing with joint pain or struggling to stay active, Please consider sharing this video with them. It could really make a difference. Coming up next, we'll cover 3 more foods with powerful anti-inflammatory effects, including one golden spice that's been used for centuries in natural healing. So, stay with me. Part 3 is coming up. We've already gone through 7 powerful foods that help the body rebuild cartilage and protect your joints as you age. Now let's look at the final 3. And these are especially important if you want to reduce stiffness, boost mobility, and keep walking freely for years to come. Food number 8. Kale and dark leafy greens. As we get older, cartilage is not the only thing we need to worry about. The bone beneath the cartilage, called subchondral bone, also weakens with age. This is what makes your joints feel unstable or shaky, especially when going upstairs or getting out of a chair. Kale and other dark leafy greens like collard greens and mustard greens are rich in vitamin K, calcium, magnesium, and powerful antioxidants. A large-scale study from Tufts University found that seniors who consumed enough vitamin K through leafy greens had 1/3 less risk of developing osteoarthritis in the knees, compared to those who didn't. Vitamin K plays a key role in building stronger bones around the joint, and calcium helps keep those bones dense and stable. On top of that, kale also contains sulforaphane, a plant compound that helps protect joint cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. The good news is that you don't need to eat huge amounts. Just a few servings per week, whether boiled, steamed, or added to soups, can make a meaningful difference over time. For even more absorption, try combining greens with a small amount of healthy fat, like olive oil or avocado. Food number 9. Turmeric. Turmeric is one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatories known to science. It's been used in traditional medicine for centuries, and now modern research is confirming what ancient healers already knew. The active compound in turmeric is called curcumin, and it has been shown to reduce joint pain, swelling, and stiffness by blocking inflammatory enzymes. A clinical trial at the University of Arizona found that people who took a standardized dose of curcumin for 6 weeks experienced pain relief comparable to ibuprofen, without the side effects that often come with long-term use of pain medications. Curcumin also helps stop the activity of enzymes that break down cartilage, which means it works both as a pain reliever and a protector. The only challenge with turmeric is that curcumin doesn't absorb well on its own. To boost absorption, take it with black pepper or combine it with a small amount of healthy fat like coconut milk. Try mixing turmeric into warm drinks, soups, or stews. Or you can take it as a supplement. Just make sure it includes something like black pepper extract or says bioavailable on the label. Food number 10. Garlic. Most people think of garlic for heart health or immunity, but it's also a joint healing powerhouse. Garlic contains sulfur compounds like diallyl disulfide, which help reduce the activity of enzymes that damage cartilage and collagen in aging joints. A long-term study from the University of East Anglia in the UK showed that women who consumed garlic regularly had significantly lower rates of osteoarthritis, especially in the knees. Garlic also supports better blood flow, which is crucial for delivering nutrients to cartilage and removing waste from the joints. The best way to get the full benefits is to crush raw garlic and let it sit for 5 minutes before eating. This activates the compound allicin, which is responsible for much of garlic's healing effect. If raw garlic is too harsh, you can use it in cooking or try aged garlic extract, a supplement form that's gentler on the stomach but still effective. Garlic is cheap, accessible, and powerful, and just 1 or 2 cloves a day can make a difference over time. So those are the 10 foods that science shows can help your body rebuild cartilage, protect your joints, and reduce inflammation naturally, without relying on medications or injections. But it's not just about knowing what to eat. It's also about putting this into practice consistently in a way that fits your daily life. In the next part, we'll go over exactly how to build a daily and weekly plan using these foods. You'll see how simple it can be to start healing your joints naturally, 1 meal at a time. And if this video has helped you so far, please consider subscribing or giving it a thumbs up. It helps more people discover natural solutions for joint pain. and lets us keep making more helpful content like this. Let's move on to part 4, where we turn this knowledge into action. Now that you know the 10 most powerful foods for rebuilding cartilage and supporting your joints, the big question is this: how do you put it all into practice without feeling overwhelmed or confused? Let's turn knowledge into action, starting with something simple. No one needs to eat all 10 foods every day. The key is consistency over time, not perfection. Think of your joint health as something you feed, protect, and support a little more each day. The results won't be instant, but they will come. Just like planting seeds and giving them water and sunlight. Let's break it down into a simple weekly rhythm. You want to make sure you're getting at least one food rich in collagen or healthy fat, one anti-inflammatory food, one leafy green or vegetable that supports bone health, one protein source that helps preserve muscle and joint tissue. That alone can create a powerful foundation for healing. Here's a sample 3-day plan using these principles. Feel free to adapt it based on your taste, culture, or what's available at the store. Day 1 morning. Warm turmeric tea with black pepper and a little coconut oil. Oatmeal topped with chia seeds and sliced banana lunch. Grilled salmon, steamed kale drizzled with olive oil. Half an avocado on the side. Dinner. Bone broth, soup with vegetables. Tofu stir-fried with garlic and greens. Snack. Tart cherry juice or a handful of fresh cherries, day 2. Morning soy milk smoothie with spinach and flaxseed. 2 cloves of crushed garlic. Wait 5 minutes after crushing. Lunch. Roasted sweet potatoes, baked chicken thighs. Side salad with kale and lemon juice. Dinner. Brown rice. Bone broth as soup. Sautéed dark greens and mushrooms. Snack. Aged garlic supplement or cherry extract capsule day. 3 morning, avocado toast with a drizzle of turmeric paste. Warm water with lemon and a pinch of cayenne lunch. Lentil stew with kale and garlic, side of baked tofu. Dinner, grilled sardines or salmon quinoa. Steamed spinach and olive oil. Snack, soy milk or unsweetened yogurt with chia seeds. By cycling these foods through the week, you create a natural anti-inflammatory routine that helps your joints repair, while also nourishing your bones, muscles, and circulation. And remember, food is only one part of the healing picture. Here are a few more tips that can make everything work better together. Stay hydrated. Water helps lubricate your joints and move nutrients into cartilage. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses per day. Move daily. Even light walking or stretching increases blood flow to your joints and helps activate healing. Sleep enough. Your body repairs most tissues at night, including cartilage. Don't underestimate the power of quality rest. And most importantly, be patient. Cartilage doesn't rebuild overnight, but it does respond to steady support. What you eat today is what your joints will thank you for in 3 months, 6 months, and even years from now. If you've made it this far, thank you for investing in your health. And if this video has given you something useful, please consider subscribing to the channel. It helps others find this content and keeps us growing as a supportive community. Also, don't keep this information to yourself. Share it with a friend, a family member, or someone you know who might be struggling with joint pain. You might help them avoid medications or surgeries they never wanted in the first place. We believe in natural healing and in the wisdom of the body to recover when given the right tools. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and keep moving, because aging doesn't mean stopping. It means learning how to move forward, gracefully. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.